Withdrawing money from your Lyft account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to your earnings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Earnings to view your current balance and transaction history. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Within the Earnings section, look for the option to withdraw or transfer to bank. Tap on this option to begin the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, select the one you want to transfer funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add your bank details before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank account to ensure the transfer has been completed successfully.